Hi there, this is Sudeep here. Welcome back to my channel where I talk about artificial intelligence in very simple words. In today's video, I'll try to explain to you a research paper on artificial intelligence which I found super interesting. It's called Agentic AI, Autonomy, Accountability, and the Algorithmic Society. This paper was written by Anirban Mukherjee and Hannah Henwen Chang in 2025. As I take you through this paper, you will see the actual paper on the left-hand side of the screen. Don't worry, I'm going to try to explain each and everything to you in very simple words. But before I get started, I have just one request for you. Please do subscribe to this channel and also comment and like this video and also share this video so that others who are interested in artificial intelligence can benefit from such videos. So let's get started.
It's all about AI.
So, what is this paper all about? It talks about agentic AI, a new kind of AI that does not wait for commands. It acts on its own, makes decisions, and even creates things without needing much help from us humans. Today, we will start by looking into this paper section by section and try to understand what is agentic AI first, then why it is useful, what are the problems it creates, like the ownership, legal rules, and trust, and finally, what could happen if AI starts making its own rules. So let's start by saying what is agentic AI. You have seen about Siri or ChatGPT waits for us to ask something, right? That's reactive AI. It answers when we ask. But agentic AI is different. It doesn't wait, it thinks, plans, and acts on its own. In the paper, they give an example called Deep Research by OpenAI, which searches the internet, reads articles, picks good sources, and writes full reports without anyone helping it. So if you pay for OpenAI, you will get this facility on your ChatGPT window, and you can easily write one or two prompts and you will get a report after you press that deep research button. So that's how it works. So it's kind of scary that research papers can be written using such deep research facility. They also give, in this paper, they also give a fun example of a travel assistant. Like, for example, if you say to that travel assistant, plan a trip for me to Vietnam, it doesn't just show ideas, it books flights, chooses hotels, checks the weather, books restaurants, and updates your plan if something changes. So that's kind of scary that it does everything for you. That's what makes agentic AI so special and powerful. But with great power comes big questions and great responsibilities. So now here is the tricky part which the paper talks about. If this smart AI writes an article or creates a painting or plans a full trip, who owns the work? The paper says with normal AI, humans will still make choices and edits. So we can say, yes, it helped, but the responsibility is mine. But agentic AI does the whole thing. So now, is it your responsibility or the AI's responsibility? That's the essential question that is being raised in this paper. Or the company which made this agentic AI system, it's their responsibility, or no one else's. How do you answer this? So that's what this paper highlights. There are even real cases where an AI named Dabus made inventions. Some countries said AI can't be an inventor. Others, like South Africa, said, sure, why not? So even the world's lawyers are confused right now as to who should own such inventions or who should own up the work that AI or agentic AI systems are doing. And if something goes wrong, who to catch hold of? The next thing this paper addresses is that what if AI makes a bad choice? Imagine your AI books a hotel in a dangerous area. You go there and something bad happens. Who do we blame? You, the AI, or the people who build the AI? The paper calls this the moral crumple zone. It means you, the human, may get blamed even if the AI acted alone. And here's the scary part. Sometimes even the developers don't know exactly why the AI did what it did. Because the AI is learning by itself like a kid figuring out things in a wild way. Now let's talk about AI teaming up in secret, which is also covered in this paper. By teaming up, I mean that two AIs can conspire among themselves without even knowing about it. Example provided in the paper says two airlines use agentic AI to set prices. Even if they never talk, the AIs learn that keeping prices high helps both make more money. So without planning it, they act like a team. This is called tacit collusion. It's like two kids in class who decide not to answer so that the teacher cancels the quiz. This can be very bad for us because we end up paying more and the current laws don't know how to stop it. The next part of the paper talks about what if AI starts making its own rules. This part is really cool and a bit scary actually. The paper says one day AIs might start forming their own societies. They will make rules by watching each other and copying what works. Just like kids on the playing ground deciding, okay, let's play tag this way. But what if the rules are unfair? What if one group of AIs always wins and others lose? What if they all follow the same rich companies and create a monopoly? That's the fear. Once AI starts doing this, it might be very hard to stop them. That's really scary actually. So that's about the paper, what it talks about. And so what did we learn from this? Agentic AI is smart, it thinks, acts, and decides. But that also means it can make mistakes, team up secretly, and challenge our laws. The paper tells us we need new rules, better understanding, and lots of teamwork from tech experts, lawyers, and regular people. So next time you hear someone say AI is just a tool, you will know it's not that simple anymore. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this interesting, please like, subscribe, and share this video with someone as curious as you. And let me know in the comments, would you trust an AI plan your vacation or write your own school essay? Let me know. I'll read all your comments.